disgusting conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Peace, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rincey. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. From the title, as you guys can see, the video today is check off my to-do list with me in 24 hours. So I did a little montage thing. I went to work out this morning, but I couldn't record in there because it's a class and it's other people, and just to respect their privacy, they probably don't want to be recorded. So I didn't record the workout. Today was strength day, so it's like conditioning days and strength days. So today was a strength day because it's Friday. And yeah, so our workout is complete. I showed you guys my iPad this morning that had like some of my things that were on my to-do list. So workout is done. I either want to go to Starbucks or get an acai bowl today. I haven't really decided. I also need to go to the beauty supply store because there's some things I need to pick up, because I couldn't find it at Walmart yesterday and I couldn't find it at Target. So beauty supply store. What else was on my list? One of the cabinets, and yeah, I was gonna get my car washed, but it looks like it's gonna rain, so that might be not happening. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a proper intro, and yeah, let's I'll probably pick the camera back up when I'm doing something else. These are cute. I think I've seen someone use these before. I might use these. 11 looks cute too though. But seven is cute here. Dang, it's not focusing. Okay. So many options. I might go with these though. I'm gonna keep looking. And now we're at Target. So I've been looking for like a little cart to put where the laundry room is, because I'm tired of reaching all the way up there. So I'm looking at the different options they have, but I don't want to get copyrighted, so I just wanted to show you guys real quick. I like this black is cute, but I feel like these little size ones are cute too. Okay, so we're back. Let me show you guys what I got. So I ended up getting that cart that I showed you guys at Target, so I can put it in the laundry room. I'm gonna try to build this myself. It says easily assemble, so hopefully I can do it, because you know, we strong, independent black women, we don't need no. So we'll see if all fails. I mean, okay, from the beauty supply store, I got these press-on nails for the weekend because we just needed some nails that are extra long. So these should be cute. They should give. As far as lashes, so I know y'all probably thinking like, why did she buy lashes when she sells lashes? Well, I have like a limited inventory, and instead of me just keep using my product, I'm already selling it to y'all, I can just use some beauty supply store lashes. It's gonna be okay. So I got these two. I got the IMB Mink and the IMB Matte. So we'll see what these give. I also got the edge fixer, just the edge control I use, and then also got my mousse that I use because I was running low. So that's all we got from the beauty supply store. Nothing too much, nothing too much. But yeah, I'm gonna just keep you guys up while I assemble this little cart. Oh, but before we do that, let's actually check off our to-do list. Y'all knew the handy dandy iPad. Oh y'all, and guess what? I just found out that your girl got accepted into nursing school. So Yeah, real bad. I know I did on my Instagram, I asked like what videos would y'all want to see, and somebody was like post grad, like life after college, stuff like that. So we're gonna have some content. Just wait. But yeah, back to the what is this to-do list? So we can check off workout because we worked out already. Check off Starbucks. Oh, I did say I need to organize cabinets. I need to take my supplements too, but I'm gonna take that once I eat lunch. I don't know what I'm gonna eat for lunch yet. And then I am gonna get my car cleaned. I just, probably after I put this together, we'll get the car cleaned and stuff. Yeah, so organize cabinets. We still need to wash the car, take my supplements and get lunch, and then get ready later to go out. So we're pretty on record for what we need to do. Let's build this. I ain't no Bob the Builder ass bitch. I ain't got that clue, bro.
Bless up, 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 bless up. Soon as I wake up in the morning, I see dollar signs. It's the only thing that's on my mind. Other than pussy, you can't broke me. All these poor faces on me, I feel like Chucky. Counting pen on the clothes I need where they at. If I leave the house, I can't say when I'm coming back. Ain't no sentiments, I just walk out and blow some grass. You can smoke what you want, bro, just crash and pack. Look at this bitch all over me. Look at my wrist all froze. Look at my shirt from overseas. That'll make me no hoe. That'll make me more hoe.
Alright, y'all. Now that the cart is done, what else was on my list was to do this cabinet. This is where we have our sauces, and it kind of looks a little crazy. And I want to, you know, make it look not crazy. So there we go. So yeah, I'm about to just organize the seasonings and stuff like that because, you know, no one wants a clog. I'm gonna grab my stool for a second. Okay, we back with our step stool. Okay, so up here it's like the oils and the actual sauces and seasonings. I got these. I forgot where I got these from, but you know, y'all can find these at like TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshalls, like all those type of stores in the little kitchen section. So this one is our olive oil. And this one has vinegar in it. I know like a lot of people put these like on the counters, but if you don't want these on the counter, do. So we just keep them up here and we'll grab them. But sometimes it's kind of hard to reach, so.
But if I continue to push, you just pull away. And I know that ain't my heart.
It's kind of big to be right here, but maybe I'll just put it this way so you can't see it. But yeah, I just feel like that's a little bit more organized than it was before. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. All the other ones stay in like this one doesn't have anything in it, so we just have extra storage for our stuff. So yeah. That's it for the cabinets. That's all for our to-do list. Alright, y'all. So, another thing that was on my to-do list, but I didn't have it on my to-do list, is to get an oil change because it's almost about that time. So, we stopped at Jiffy Lube to get my oil change, and then we're gonna go to the car wash. So yeah, they're doing it now, and we're just waiting.
Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up. wake up in the morning, I see dollar signs.
But we're checking another thing off our to-do list, which was lunch. I'm hungry. It's currently 3:11, okay? And we're about to eat Chick-fil-A. So my order of Chick-fil-A is the spicy deluxe with pepper jack cheese. I got a fry, and then the sauces I eat are Chick-fil-A sauce and Polynesian. Why is my camera not focusing? I don't know what's going on. But yeah, we're about to eat lunch, y'all, so just giving y'all an update.
Smoke what you want, bro, just crash and pack. Look at this bitch all over me. Look at my wrist all froze. Look at my shirt from overseas. That don't make me no hoe. That don't make me more hopeful. Everywhere you go, they know you. Can't be antisocial. I can't sleep sometimes. I need peace of mind. Roll that weed, I'm fine. I say only be without me. If she with me, she nine. If she with me, she fine. Excuse me if I'm late. I'll be on sleepy time.
Alright y'all, it's a lot while later. Y'all saw me put my nails on, and now I'm dressed to go out. My hair is still kind of wet. I was thinking about wearing a claw clip, but I might just keep it in this little style. But yeah, we're just wearing all black. We're going to this little club, so this tube top bodysuit, and then these, like, I don't know, some type of pants. Nylon. And then I'm gonna wear these sparkly heels to go with the silver that I have on. And yeah, just real simple. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'm glad you guys were able to check off my to-do list with me. Make sure you guys check out any of my other videos, watch my travel vlogs, or just my regular vlogs that I have. 2 playlists on this channel. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.